At Lennox National Account Services, we believe in investing in our greatest asset, our people. As the premier commercial HVAC service provider, we are committed to hiring, developing, and retaining top talent. And that's where our training center comes in. Our training center is the heart of career development at Lennox NAS. Designed and led by industry experts within our company, our training center is built to equip you with the skills and knowledge to grow your career. Never outsourced, always NAS quality. We offer 4 tech leveling programs to help you advance, from Build a Tech to Qualified, from Qualified to Skilled, from Skilled to Advanced, from Advanced to Lead Master. And for those aiming higher, our Manager in Training program prepares you to lead. So how does it work? After being hired, you'll have an active transcript that tracks your progress and eligibility for promotion. Our tech leveling programs run for 5 days, blending theory with hands-on experience. To advance, you must pass with a score of 80% or higher. And here's a bonus. If you score 92% or higher, the cost of the program gets passed along to corporate, and your branch manager will thank you for it. The Manager in Training program requires a longer commitment, consisting of 2 weeks of classroom instruction followed by 4 weeks of field training. Since launching the program in 2016, we've helped over 1,000 technicians advance their careers. And the best part? It's all taken care of. Travel, meals, and training itself are fully covered, so you can focus on learning and enjoy your time in sunny Florida. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Enroll today and build your future with Lennox National Account Services.